Meal prep for the week, lunches and snacks. Title: Meal prep for the week, lunches and snacks. Hey, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a meal prep for the week. Specifically, we're going to be prepping lunches and snacks. Meal prepping can save you a lot of time and money, and it's a great way to make sure you're eating healthy throughout the week. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan your meals. The first step to meal prepping is to plan your meals. For lunches, you might want to consider making a big batch of a healthy grain or protein, such as quinoa or chicken. Then, you can mix and match different vegetables and toppings throughout the week to keep things interesting. For snacks, think about easy-to-grab options like cut-up veggies, fruit, and nuts. Step 2. Grocery shopping. Now that you've planned your meals, it's time to go grocery shopping. Make a list of all the ingredients you'll need for the week and head to the store. Try to stick to your list to avoid impulse buys. Step 3. Prepping lunches. When it comes to prepping lunches, it's all about batch cooking. Cook up a big batch of your chosen grain or protein and divide it into containers. Then, add in your veggies and toppings. You can do this all at once or do it each night for the next day. The key is to have everything prepped and ready to go. Step 4. Prepping snacks. For snacks, you want to make things as easy as possible. Cut up your veggies and fruit and divide them into individual containers. For nuts or other snacks, divide them into snack-sized portions. This way, when you're hungry, you can just grab a container and go. Step 5. Storage. Once everything is prepped, it's time to store it. Make sure your lunches are in airtight containers and store them in the fridge. Snacks can also be stored in the fridge or in a pantry. Make sure everything is labeled so you know what's what. And that's it. Meal prepping lunches and snacks for the week is a great way to save time, money, and make sure you're eating healthy. Give it a try and let us know how it goes.